No way, Jose.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Shyilah. So we're diving right into the video. So basically I'm doing this cranberry eye look. So basically I'm just packing on this pink, very beautiful raspberry cranberry shade on my lid. I'm just packing it on, and then I'm taking a brown shade and putting that into my upper crease to kind of give my eyes some type of dimension, like a little shape. And yeah, it's really, this look is so simple. It took 3 shades to achieve it. So yeah, so I'm taking a darker brown and putting that closer to like it, right in the middle of those 2 shades, the pink and that brown, to kind of give me a little bit more definition into the eye. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. And then I'm going back and packing that pink and basically just blending all the edges and everything together. Like I said, this look is so simple to achieve. It's really pretty, it's really summery. So yeah, also using my Morphe 35H palette, and I'm telling you, I'm using like the coral cranberry side. In my last video I used the blues, but now I'm using the coral side. So yeah, and I'm basically going back in with all the shades that I use, like the browns, and just making sure everything's blended and just looks flawless and blown out, so you'll get the nice beautiful smoky eye that you want. And I added a little wing. I'm not the best at wings, but for my eye shape I know what looks good. So literally I just take a black eyeliner, liquid liner that I have. It's from, I forgot where it's from, I got it from, but it's just black. It's no big deal. And I'm just making a little wing. Oh, also, all of the shades will be listed down below in order, I promise. So anyway, I'm taking my baby face a primer from Maybelline and just putting that into like all over my face pretty much, especially like under my eyes and on my nose and a little bit on my forehead, and definitely in the creases of my nose as well, because that needs a little bit more attention, especially in the summertime. Just FYI, I'm oily right there. I'm going with my, oldie but goodie, but he never gets sick of it. It's my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 420. I absolutely love this foundation. If you need a foundation that will stay on your face all day, even when it's like 100 plus degrees outside, Fenty Beauty is your girl, okay? And then I'm taking my Makeup Revolution concealer and, highlighting the places on my face, same old, same old. And then I put on the banana powder. I actually wanted my eyes to be a little bit brighter today, so I put mainly like more so of the banana powder instead of the banana deep. So yeah. And then I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade Deep, and I'm just brushing that all over my face to set the rest of my face, and also kind of dusting off the excess powder that we baked with. Set. I'm gonna get better, okay? I'm still gonna get better. And then I'm cutting my cheeks after I, contoured and put some blush. Everything will be listed down below. This is basically my same foundation routine that I've been doing ever since I started this YouTube journey. So it's nothing new, but I realized if I cut my cheeks like that, it makes everything look more cleaner and sharper, and my face looks really good. And then I'm lining my lips with the Expresso lip liner from NYX Cosmetics. And then I'm putting on a lipstick from Bite Beauty. And that's in the shade Yucca. I think that's how you pronounce it, or Yucca. One of the two. and oh, it's so pretty. Like, it just glides beautifully. Like, you need this lipstick. So Bite Beauty, you need it, okay? And they have a beautiful range of shades, variety. Like, it's great. I'm gonna go back to Sephora and get me some more because they're really pretty. And then I'm taking my MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick, you know, putting that center of my lips. And then I'm going in with that pink that we used and putting that under on my lower lash line, blending that out. And then I'm taking a black eyeliner and then, you know, putting that in my lower lash line as well. That looks so gross, but yeah. And of course I'm putting mascara on both of my top and lower lashes. And you know, I'm just blotting, making sure everything looks cute. But yeah, this is pretty much the end of this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you aren't already. And click on that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!
Yeah. You got me verified for real. Okay. Yo. Hey. My shorty been texting me, ask if I'm good. I told her don't check on me.